Hello guys.
Yeah.
I'm Dhaval Barcha. I'm currently the Secretary Sports and Games Technology Student Gymkhana. So today we are conducting a discussion panel among the aquatics team, graduated aquatics team and the final year aquatics team for the freshers basically so they can understand how the aquatics life was there at KGP, how you guys enjoyed and how you guys practiced and grind everything. So we'll discuss about it. So first of all, can you tell us all about the journey of your aquatics or swimming? Like, how did you like swimming before coming to KGP? Were you guys practicing before that?
Basically, starting from Kharagpur, first year से I joined. First year में it was like उसके पहले वाले 2013 के पहले 2012 में we guys did very well, but we couldn't get past the third वाला scenario. So शायद सेमीफाइनल में हारे थे या उसके पहले ही हारे थे. I don't remember that much, but ये था कि टीम काफी अच्छा था 2012 तक, but they never got into the finals because उस टाइम पर Madras and Bombay were pretty strong players. तो उस टाइम पे like that's about water polo. Swimming में we used to be champions till 2012, and फिर 2013 से because Madras got a national level medalist, तो उसके सामने like nobody was good enough to battle that. But competition aside, first year से start किया था.
Like you didn't swim before the first year. Like आप पहले swimming नहीं करते थे मतलब KGP आने से
नहीं
पहले?
करता था KGP आने से पहले. Like I was मैं पूरा life भर like since I was in 5th standard or 4th standard तब से swimming चालू किया था, and 5th 6th standard से पहला states खेला, फिर उसके बाद nationals खेला, stuff like that. तो काफी था मैं swimming और water polo दोनों काफी ज्यादा खेल रहा था मैंने before coming to KGP. जस्ट वो 2 साल कोटा में था तो उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं था. अदर देन दैट काफी खेल चुका था, तो आई न्यू हाउ टू गो अराउंड एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो या इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस जर्नी. फर्स्ट ईयर में थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, सेकंड ईयर में बहुत ज्यादा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, बट थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ईयर फॉर मी वर वेरी कूल. काफी मजा आया था. फिर फोर्थ ईयर में थोड़े ये आ गए थे जिनके चेहरे तुम देख रहे हो, तो ये लोग फिर बहुत मेहनत करवाए मेरे से मेरे फाइनल ईयर में. But thankfully वो मेहनत भी काफी like it was worth it, because at the end of the day these guys did something which we all did not expect after us. Like even our seniors जो 2012 में graduate हुए थे, वो लोगों ने भी expect नहीं किया था कि KGP का winning streak इतना लंबा चल जाएगा. Like वो तो कोविड आ गया. I don't know if COVID was not there, शायद कंटिन्यू हो पाता या नहीं, I don't know. वो इनको ज्यादा पता होगा ये लोग कैसी टीम छोड़ के आए थे, but I was hoping कि हाँ आगे भी चल जाएगा.
So what about others? Like, do you used to swim or before coming to KGP? What was your experience? Or were you a newbie here? Like completely newbie, just like playing in water and you went in the pool for practicing and just made it to the inter IITs and everything. Was it like that with anyone?
उत्कर्ष
एक्चुअली मैं स्विमिंग जानता था, मतलब स्कूल लेवल वगैरह पे किया था, बट आई नेवर हैड अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट लाइक दैट जैसा केजीपी में था. मतलब nowhere near that, so you can consider me a newbie. Like KGP में ही आके I started doing this, and then water polo तो मैं मतलब I guess हम लोग में से किसी ने कहीं पे भी नहीं खेला था, because ऐसे ही ये एक ऐसा मतलब काफी रेयर तो नहीं, मतलब ये स्पोर्ट खेलने के लिए काफी ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज चाहिए जो कि आई डोंट थिंक सबको अवेलेबल होते हैं. आई गेस हम लोग सब भी न्यूबीज ही थे. सिर्फ एक सिराज दा हैं जिन्होंने अपने केजीपी से पहले वाटर पोलो खेला हुआ था. And then like all of us started like from second year or so. उसके बाद we all made it into the IT.
Okay, Pushpak, Raj Prabhu, you would like to add to this? Any other experiences you had before coming to KGP and after coming to KGP, how your life changed?
So like swimming का scene was कि since my childhood I've been swimming and I've been into competitive all I expect for like since I think class 5 only. So मेरे को competitive का idea था and state वगैरह के लिए खेलता था. So but water polo was completely new to me. And when I joined KGP it was I don't know, there was I don't know, I had very mixed emotions about water polo at first because मेरे को बिल्कुल idea नहीं था कैसा sport है क्या है. And also being a swimmer I had a very strong feeling कि नहीं यार swimming नहीं छोड़ना है, swimming is the best thing. But later on when I saw कि क्या legacy है अपने KGP की and like जो मेरे को exposure मिला उसके बाद, so those things were like very precious to me and उसके बाद I never looked back from water polo. ऐसा हुआ.
So like starting like after coming to the first year, you started practicing at the pool. Then like getting selected for the inter IITs, how was that a big part for you? Like how was that feeling to get selected for the inter IITs?
Like to be honest, first year में I think like I had expectations कि हाँ I will make it to the inter IIT team. But then उसके बाद inter IIT खेलना and inter IIT team में जाना was very different thing. Inter IIT खेलते time एक वो होता है like you get to know अच्छा okay यहाँ पे मेहनत खत्म नहीं हुई थी, यहाँ भी असली fight start हुई है. So हाँ, given that KGP के पास ज़्यादा इतने like अच्छे swimmers आए नहीं हैं, we have not been lucky. Like I think after सिराज उनके बाद कोई ऐसा swimmer आया ही नहीं था. फिर उसके बाद आई थिंक अपने सेकंड ईयर में अर्पण था, थर्ड ईयर में अर्पण आए थे जो who was like a proper swimmer. So yeah, यहाँ पे making it to the inter IIT team as a swimmer was easy, but inter IIT में perform करना was a different level of challenge. And उसमें like when you get good company to practice with, that makes a difference. And good company doesn't mean कि good swimmer. Like people with like that willpower to practice with you. That is more important.
Like that's what I was asking. Like next question was like, how do you guys practice the team bonding and like in the pool and off the pool? Like how did you guys used to enjoy?
Yeah, I think like firstly it all starts in the pool itself. Like only if in the pool you're playing, I mean if you're practicing seriously, if you're playing well, if you're doing well as a team, only then you'll really have the motivation to like you know, go and party later or yeah, I mean to celebrate or like it's more fun that way, right? Otherwise if it's like you're not doing anything in the pool, then ultimately like we're a sports team, right? So then the bond is formed like in the pool only in the beginning. So I think once like we started winning and everything, like we became all the more close, I feel like, going for inter IITs and practicing. But then I would say like initially it was a practice.
Actually that part
yeah,
would be
I mean,
the most
during
memorable part, no? Like as I guess like going for inter IITs, the traveling part in the train and everything, living there in the other IIT campus. So it would be a very different experience. Like there the bonding might have been become much stronger. So like how the seniors, like when you were juniors, how the seniors used to treat in that journey, like what all things did you enjoy in that journey?
It's basically like जिस भी कंपार्टमेंट में हमारी इंटर आईआईटी टीम अलॉट होती थी जिस भी कोच में, तो मतलब इट वाज लाइक वो कोच का पूरा फुल जर्नी एंटरटेनमेंट उनका फिक्स हो जाता था. मतलब द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आवर सीनियर्स यूज्ड टू डू विद अस. सो लाइक आई गेस बाकी लोग ही ज्यादा अच्छा सारे इवेंट्स पे पुष्पक बहुत अच्छे से बता पाएगा इस पे. अब बेचारे ने दो बार एंटरटेन किया, 2 जर्नी करके.
पुष्पक तो अकेला नहीं है, मैंने भी 2 बार किया था.
Actually that's the part which is enjoyable, like and that to have food in other IITs, like the inter IIT food is much hype, no? Like inter IIT food like
मतलब हर जगह नहीं.
It's too good.
Unless it's IIT
But Kanpur food was just oof.
हम लोगों को बेचारों को आईआईटी मद्रास में अच्छा नहीं मिला था क्या? Like we had pretty good food in
Kanpur was
legendary.
कानपुर में बहुत अच्छा खाना दिया था.
Kanpur के बाद no other IIT was able to.
And roaming and living around in that campus, like how was that feeling living in other IIT campus? Like do you get a different pride, like we are entering another IIT and like representing our college?
हाँ, मतलब whenever you get inside a different IIT campus, you start comparing first of all, and you start finding क्या कहते हैं उसको, similarities between you and your campus and their campus, and your life and their life. Then you start comparing कि यार ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये लोग क्या करते हैं. So kind of like that, like because like as per my experience मैंने कितने 3 4 5 campus देख रखे. 3-4 कैंपस देख रहे हैं, तो उसमें लाइक खड़गपुर का कैंपस इज द कूलेस्ट चिलेस्ट कैंपस आई हैव एवर एक्सपीरियंस. उससे ज्यादा चिल कहीं नहीं है.
And
So,
the other
yeah,
services like
like-
you used to get like to live in their hostels and other things like.
So in since aquatics has a different inter-IT meet compared to other like other sports, there is like good to it and bad to it. The bad side is that we don't get to interact with the people. Like the people we interact with are limited to aquatics people from other IITs. But the good part is that since the contingent sizes are smaller, we get to live in like guest rooms instead of your hostels.
Okay, hostels.
And we get like I would say much more privileged treatment as it is
Other
in
sport
IIT.
persons.
They are like, there are so many that nobody cares. ठीक है, देख लो अपना.
Because most of the time क्या होता है कि like you are the only event going on in the campus, right? And तब जनता कैंपस में रहती भी है. नॉर्मल आईआईटी के टाइम, नॉर्मल इंटर आईआईटी के टाइम पे जनता कैंपस में नहीं रहती. आधी जनता वेकेशन पे रहती है, आधी इंटर आईआईटी वाली जनता रहती है.
So actually that adds some pressure, no? Like if you are in other campus, the crowd there, like it's on all your mind. So how do you tackle that? Like in this year we saw in KGP the aquatics meet, which was in KGP. So we were from KGP side. We saw the pressure in other team members. So did you face that pressure being in other campus?
See, most of the time मतलब ये गोलीज का नहीं पता मेरे को. गोलीज का बिल्कुल डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस होता है. Like as far as water polo is concerned, as far as water polo is concerned, गोलीज का बिल्कुल डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस होता है. Because मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलता था. Like once you get into the water ना, तुमको कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता है.
अच्छा.
तुमको बस ये लगता है कि बाहर शोर हो रहा है, किसके लिए चीयर कर रहे हैं, कहाँ चीयर कर रहे हैं, वो सब नहीं समझ आता है. बस जब गोल पड़ता है तब यू आर लाइक हाँ सामने वाले का गोल पड़ा है तो सामने वाली की टीम चिल्लाने लग जाएगी, अपने लिए गोल पड़ा है तो बाकी जनता चिल्लाएगी. बट द ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट इंटर आईआईटी इज के जैसे लाइक वी प्लेड 2 फाइनल्स अगेंस्ट होम टीम्स इन वाटर पोलो. तो वो दोनों में ऐसा हुआ था, पहले मद्रास में फिर कानपुर में, कि जब भी हम लोग होम टीम के अगेंस्ट खेलते थे तो होम टीम का क्राउड आता था. तो बाकी जितने भी आईआईटीज होते थे वो फिर हमारे लिए. एग्जैक्टली. एंड आई गेस वो सेम हुआ होगा जब लोग खड़गपुर भी आए.
Yes, right.
बाकी सारे आईआईटीज दूसरी टीम को कानपुर को चीयर करने.
खड़गपुर में it was divided, I think. Roorkee and all were cheering for us.
अच्छा.
ये मद्रास वाले कानपुर का कर रहे होंगे.
Roorkee was obviously cheering for us.
तुम लोग मद्रास को निपटा के आगे बढ़े थे क्या?
हाँ.
गंदे से.
फर्स्ट मैच ही मद्रास के साथ जिसमें राज ने अकेले 7 गोल मारे.
कितने से रहा था मद्रास को?
12.
क्या एक या 2 गोल थी?
2 गोल.
12-2 था क्या उनका?
First match I guess I remember it was with Dhanbad. First match 11-0 you guys won. Second, okay.
Second match was Dhanbad. First match was Mudras.
धनबाद के साथ it was 18-0 actually.
18-0.
18.
Clean sheet.
So apart from water polo, like other swimming events, was there any pressure like in like individual events?
Yeah. पता ही नहीं चलता यार. Your face is under the water, you don't realize.
No, while getting on that podium, like for your
breath.
jump, getting ready for your jump, at that time, what's the feeling? Like, do you target to like you don't know what your competitors are, or you know that the inter-IT record holder is standing beside you. So at that time, what is your feeling?
यार देखो, फर्स्ट इनिशियली अगर तुम न्यूबी हो, बिल्कुल पहली बार कर रहे हो, तब प्रेशर होता है कि हाँ कौन कौन कैसा परफॉर्म करेगा. आफ्टर 1-2 years you know सबकी लिमिटेशंस क्या क्या है, एंड यू काइंड ऑफ नो कि हाँ इस बंदे को बीट करना मुश्किल है. ऑल यू कैन डू इज परफॉर्म योर बेस्ट. सो लाइक कोई भी ऐसा स्विमर होगा ना, इतना नहीं सोचता है कि हाँ ये वाला बंदा कितना खींचेगा, ये कितना खींचेगा. सब तब वो फोकस कर रहे होते हैं कि मेरे को ज्यादा ओवर नहीं कर देना है पहले लैप पे. यू हैव टू मेंटेन अवर स्ट्रोक का जो रिदम है, स्ट्रोक काउंट्स, उस पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं. एंड एक थर्ड लेवल होता है व्हेन यू नो अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, हमको पॉइंट्स के लिए खेलना है. सो एक वो वाला एस्पेक्ट भी रहता है. सो यू नो कि हाँ इतना इस इवेंट पे हमको अचीव करना ही है, इतना मारना ही है, इसके बाद ये वाला इवेंट भी है. सो काफी वो सब कैलकुलेट करना होता है. इतना नहीं सोचते कि रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है कि नहीं है.
So this
मैंने
is all
बहुत सी बार
हाँ.
इस स्विमिंग में यूजुअली लाइक मैंने इन लोगों को भी बहुत बोला था जब ये लोग नए आए थे. स्विमिंग का जो रिजल्ट है that is decided like way before inter-IT comes. ठीक है. it is clearly visible कि तुम लोग practice में कितना time दे रहे हो, sprints लगा रहे हो तो कितना time दे रहे हो, तो वो पता रहता है. Like if you can totally judge yourself on basis of that, and ज़्यादा कुछ बदलता नहीं. Only thing that you can do in the end is कि थोड़े बहुत माइक्रोसेकंड, जब ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 सेकंड तुम कट कर सकते हो. अगर सामने वाला बंदा उससे अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, देख लिया है तुमने कि हीट्स वगैरह में सुबह में उसने अच्छा परफॉर्म कर लिया, then you know what to expect. बट वही है कि एंड टाइम तक, so the mindset at the time of competition should not be कि मेरे को किसी को हराना है या किसी को, मेरे को मतलब मेरा बेस्ट देना है, like which is true overall. Right? कोई भी फील्ड में तुम कुछ भी करोगे लाइफ में, the moment you start comparing yourself, the moment like it is what with this learning I try to implement in every field के साइड में नहीं देखना है. This is the only line I remember every time whatever I do, के साइड में नहीं देखना, because the moment you start looking साइड में ना, तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस बिगड़ता है. You don't focus, you lose focus on your strokes, you lose focus on your rhythm. तो वो तो है कि जब तुम compete कर रहे हो, you just have to focus on yourself. And the thing I used to do before jumping into the water is, जब उस पे खड़े हुए हैं starting blocks पे, तब I used to visualize कि अगर 50 meters है, 100 meters है, 200 meters है, एक बार पूरा visualization चलता था मेरे दिमाग में कि कहाँ पर कैसे करना है, कहाँ पर क्या क्या चीज का ध्यान रखना है. तो वो पूरा चीज रटा हुआ होना चाहिए once के तुमने चालू किया. And that is only possible if you have practiced it a lot of times. कि कहाँ पर क्या क्या गलती कर सकते हो. Like if you are doing 200 meter mainly, मान लो तुमने किसी थर्ड लैप में अगर तुमने ज्यादा खींच दिया, फोर्थ लैप में तुम्हें जान नहीं बची है, तो वो चीज अवॉइड करना रहेगा तुमको. ये चीज.
So coming to the next part, like the practice part, how are the practice sessions? Like I had a doubt, like everyone might have, like in the winters, how did you used to practice in the winters? Like it used to be a chill cold in winters. So how did you
We
practice?
didn't actually like if you remember the aquatics, it was in October itself, right? So then we wouldn't practice in the winter. And in fact, the pool would also be closed like in December or like November.
So
mid
at
to
that
December
time, how would you
onwards.
maintain the fitness or the bonding between you? Like you had to
So in
exercise. No,
second
you are a sports
semester-
person.
So there were two things. So there are fitness and bonding are two very different things. For
Okay.
fitness, on in second semester, we like in the spring semester, we tried to do land conditioning. We did it very religiously because we had like Siraj, and we also tried to pass it on. And like the bonding part, apart from that, like after inter-IT, there was nothing else to do except party. So we used to party a lot. Yeah, plus bonding wala part pe na. So we spent, especially in our second year, we used to practice for full swimming and water polo. We spent 5.5, 6 hours a day in the pool together. उसमें यार मतलब I am sure कि अगर मैं 10 साल भी इन लोगों से बात नहीं करूंगा, we'll still be as close as we are currently. It's मतलब the amount of sweat is covered by the pool, but we know we have sweated together. बहुत पसीना खाए हैं भाई साहब.
Yeah,
Not
and
just
with
that,
that
in
practice.
second sem also when we did that. In our fourth sem when we went on to Gyan Ghosh. So yeah, that was I think the time when we got better friends than we did during the first practice time. So that was this thing that Raj used to take all of us to Gyan Ghosh ground conditioning करवा. So yeah, वो तभी हमारी थोड़ी ज़्यादा मारी जा रही थी because then it was Raj taking the practice and not the coach. So yeah, that's when all of us actually bonded very, very well, even with Siraj and a couple of other seniors.
So other than swimming, what were your other involvements in campus? Like societies or any other thing? Like any other, like how do you used to spend time other than aquatics or swimming in the campus? How did you manage these things? Like didn't they clash with other like your sports? Because for being a sports person, you have to maintain a strict schedule. Like for the practice session, you can't miss those. आज मन नहीं हुआ तो नहीं जाते. It won't work. No?
नहीं थोड़ा juggle करना पड़ता था. It was not very straightforward. We had to like मतलब at sometimes I had to miss practices, sometimes I had to miss workshops. But then the team, both the aquatics team and my other co-govs were so understanding, so they really supported me. But apart from that, हाँ यार मतलब it's not easy, but तुम campus होने थोड़ी आए हो.
Hmm.
So you should, as long as you are not lagging anywhere in your commitments, if you're doing, if any one of them is suffering,
Hmm.
तो अगर मैं third year में gov tenure में if I hadn't scored those medals, then it would have been bad on my part.
Hmm.
But yeah, मतलब वो you have to put in that work.
Hmm.
And उसके अलावा भाई सोने के लिए बहुत बहुत टाइम है लाइफ में. You can cut down on sleeping time.
I'd just like to reiterate Andresh's point because एक चीज that I want the juniors to know is like keep your priorities straight. ठीक है? Because in my second year I was a core team member of Kshitij, and I was also like entering the swimming wala practice for the for the first time. We all joined the inter IIT practice, and I think I suffered in both the places, and it also cost me my selection in the second year. So the thing is like एक बार ये चीज मतलब thoroughly सोच लेनी चाहिए, देख लेनी चाहिए कि आप मतलब कहीं पे भी लैग नहीं कर रहे हो, क्योंकि अगर आप कर रहे हो तो मतलब you're not going to make anything out of both the places. Okay, so third year I just decided कि मतलब that is it, and जो चीज पे फोकस करना है, whatever seems more important to me, उस पे ध्यान देंगे. And then third year I was able to make it to the inter IIT team. So like this is something that I feel all the juniors should know कि मतलब हर जगह हाथ पैर नहीं मारने अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो मतलब
right. Like we also have to maintain the ACADS also, right? So how did this aquatics help or damage your ACADS? In any way,
I
did
think
it
I
damage?
have always scored the most marks in the inter-IIT
Inter-IIT
practice for a time. Because you have zero time. We used to practice through mid-sems also. Like we used to have 1 hour of practice during mid-sems. So we knew we had to start early, otherwise we'll suffer. So you always started. If you have time, you'll be like, हाँ ठीक है पढ़ लेंगे. And you
See,
never
what
end up
happens
doing
is कि जब inter IIT चल रहा होता है ना, तो inter IIT ends up giving you a structure to your day. तुमको मालूम है कि 6 बजे के बाद प्रैक्टिस पे जाना है, तो 6 बजे के बाद प्रैक्टिस पे जाना है. तुम पहले से पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हो या उसके बाद पढ़ने का शेड्यूल बनाते हो, जो भी है तुम रख देते हो, क्योंकि तुमको मालूम है कि इंटर IIT चलता रहेगा, ये नहीं रुकेगा.
So after
it's
coming
not
from
like-
the practice, do you have that energy to study again? Like you
सबका अलग-अलग
might
होता
be
है,
drained out, no? Like the
हाँ,
it.
मतलब
Depends. Some people
breakdown
before
तो
do
होता
it
है,
before.
but that is dependent on people. Like मेरा ये है कि मेरे से रात को पढ़ाई नहीं होती है, मैं सुबह उठ के पढ़ने वाला बंदा हूँ. तो मैं रात को जाके बस पढ़ जाता था बिस्तर पे कि कल देखेंगे जो करना है. I was that kind of a kid. तो मेरे से नहीं होता था रात को पढ़ाई. But there can be people who you know रात को पढ़ना प्रेफर करते हो. Because swimming में एक चीज है, I will give you that, कि बाकी sports के comparison में swimming does not leave you feeling very sticky or sleepy or lethargic. You end up feeling fresh when you come out of the water. बात और उसके बाद थकान लगती है, but still you feel fresh. क्योंकि
Especially in KGP humidity, that is one plus
especially in
point.
KGP humidity, हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. But at the same time, बहुत ज्यादा important है कि ACADS is always first priority, regardless of what your co-curriculars are.
Right.
वो सबको समझना चाहिए, whoever is listening to this.
On an ending note, like we'll like to have a final message for our juniors. Like, see, they have like the current situation. Like they can't practice anymore. Like there might be juniors who might be swimming from previously. So now they have left a complete link of swimming due to this corona and all. So pools are shut down. So how should they keep themselves motivated and continue their practice, like fitness work, or maybe when the conditions get better, how would they start their practice again? Last tip of advice.
Swimming is an endurance sport. Water polo is a strength sport. Strength plus endurance. तो दोनों चीजों में तुम लोगे, endurance comes first. तो endurance तुमको बनानी पड़ेगी, चाहे जो हो जाए. तो take your bike for a ride 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers or something on your bike once or twice.
Bike मतलब मोटरसाइकिल नहीं भाई.
Yes.
मोटरसाइकिल नहीं,
Bicycle.
हाँ.
साइकिल.
फर्स्ट ईयर्स को थोड़ा स्पेसिफाई कर देना चाहिए. बाइक पे निकल गया और बोले हमारे सीनियर्स ने बोला था.
दौड़ो जितना दौड़ सकते हो, दौड़ते रहो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बस थोड़ा ध्यान से दौड़ना कि इंजरी ना हो, बाकी तो. एंड थोड़ा बहुत home workouts are always helpful. Like this is what helped me during my quota years. Like when I was done after quota, right? कोटा में I never went for swimming or anything. 2 साल था कोई swimming नहीं किया. But when I returned from कोटा, मैंने आते से ही उज्जैन आके एक स्टेट्स खेला. वो स्टेट्स में थोड़ा बहुत मचाया, नेशनल में सिलेक्ट हुआ, बट वो नेशनल नहीं खेल पाया था क्योंकि खड़गपुर आना था. वो तुम्हारा फिटनेस लेवल तो मेंटेन कर सकते हो घर पे भी, ऐसी बात नहीं. तो जस्ट डू सम होम वर्कआउट्स, नॉर्मल स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग घर पे, पुल अप ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, स्ट्रेचिंग करो, बॉडी को फ्लेक्सिबल रखो, ये वो.
The main point is motivation. If you have that motivation, you will do.
Another important point is कि आज के time में where you have so many resources available on YouTube for both swimming and water polo, you can keep working on your stroke and that is something जो तुम्हें खुद से effort डालना ही पड़ेगा. सब चीजें तुम्हें सिखाई नहीं जाएंगी. टेक्निक वगैरह तुम्हें खुद डालना पड़ेगा. वाटर पोलो में watch the finals, watch like legendary players play, how they do it, how they do it at their level. Watch legendary swimmers swim their lap, how they do it, how their stroke is. उस सब से मतलब there is a lot of improvement that you get when you introspect on your own stroke and your own game. तुम IITians हो तो थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगाना चाहिए उसमें, is my point.
But that is when pools and everything is open. Like अभी से
of
तुम
course.
कुछ live नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम experience नहीं कर पाओगे.
Yeah, and also I'd like to add that like even if everybody might not be interested in playing inter-IIT and things like that, but I would say everybody should try and do some sort of workout, fitness, yoga, like whatever works for you. Because I feel in these times, like you have so much free time. Like how much time will you attend classes or do some, I don't know, whatever internship work or something like that, right? So utilize the time because like an idle mind is a devil's workshop. Like I mean, so it's like if you don't have anything to do, you just have like random thoughts going on in your head. It's better to keep yourself distracted, keep yourself healthy and fit. Like so, I would say everybody should try and do this. Like not only people interested in aquatics or anything, like anybody can do this. To be honest. Yeah.
See, what you can do is to keep a team built up. Like if you already have a team, in case you already have a team, not if you don't have a team. In case you already have a team, make a WhatsApp group, set target for the day कि मैं इतना दौड़ूंगा, इतना साइकिलिंग करूंगा, इस वीक या इतने like एक वो बना लो, सर्किट्स बना लो, and just share it कि मैंने इतना किया, मैंने उतना किया, और just you know जैसे वो Instagram challenges चलते हैं कि ये वर्कआउट करना है, ये सब करना है, like it is possible online. ठीक है, like if you are getting
next level, like you
team
are
out of
motivated.
it, if you are getting a team out of it, it's worth it.
Right. It's a thanks a lot everyone. Like it was a great piece of advice. Like I hope like freshers benefit out of it, most out of it. They love to see this everything, your experiences and everything. I hope like the KGP Aquatics like continues its like the power which is has its legacy in the upcoming years whenever everything comes back to normal. So yes, thanks a lot everyone.
I hope that.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Thanks.
चलो.
Like,
Thanks guys.
the
अच्छा
recording.
लगा बात करके.
Thanks everyone. Yeah.
Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.
और मिलते हैं जब कैंपस आते हो किड्स, जो भी एक्वाटिक्स में आएंगे इवेंचुअली. इंशाल्लाह हम मिलेंगे बहुत जल्द.
Definitely.